So I've been looking on YouTube and I can't find a video to strip down the back door on these Volvo V90s. So I've had a look at it and I've worked out how to do it myself. So basically this trim here, that pulls out at this end. So this like unclips and then you've got to slide that out. You see it's got a hook on there. So you can see that unclips, pulls out and then slides out. Behind there, you've got these two 7mm bolt-headed screws. Then here, so that's the electric window operator switch. So you take that switch out, and then behind there, so it's down there, you'll have a Torx T25, and also there is another one which is under there, so it's under the handle. I've not got a lot of room here trying to video it. And basically when you've took all of those out, the door panel lifts up. So you get these bolts out, 7mm bolts, and the panel lifts up, comes out like that. So once you've unclipped the door panel, there's a connector there to undo, and this just to unclip for the door opening mechanism, door handle, internal. So that's on there. And you've got the back of your handle there. So that's how you remove the door, the inner door trim on a Volvo V90. Good luck, try not to break anything.